The problem that we were trying to solve was it's hard to move around for people like who are in wheelchairs.
Our device essentially is simply a motorized wheel that's attached to the back of a wheelchair, which can separately be controlled with wrist-mounted control panel.
It does its job of helping me push. It can take over for me if it needs to. It seemed to work pretty well, even with some fairly steep hills. I was very happy with it.
The purpose of the Senior Design Capstone is to bring everything together. Over these last 4 years, students have learned all sorts of engineering skills, a lot of engineering fundamentals. We're putting them together and we're putting them into action. And we're not only putting them into action, but we're also trying to do something good.
The first half of the class is just the ideation part, but the second half is prototyping over and over and over again as fast as you can.
You'll find that even in a mechanical engineering environment, which might sound like machines and hardware and mechanical things, there's lots of electronics, there's lots of optical solutions, aerospace solutions that are integrated into this. And so you have to have those kinds of tools as well, right? To be able to do electronics testing and electronics design and fabrication, circuit design, breadboarding. As you go out and advertise yourself for hiring by companies, you can speak to the projects you worked on, you can speak to the challenges you engaged with as a student.
My favorite part of the project was also just the freedom that we kind of get after 4 years of engineering and very specific design projects to get to the end and kind of just have a problem and be told to fix it.
Kind of feels like being a parent, like, oh wow, I made that. It works, it does its thing.